I'm not using the gimbal because I'm down the shed. I don't think I'll get rid of that. Here's the circuit board I got off Brett's site. I've got it made. I've got like 10 of them at the moment. They're a little bit expensive, but it came from China, the boards, and they took a couple of days, and it's replacing these. Remember I showed you on this came off, that I had 2 of these and one just died, straight out died. No, and pulling it apart is not easy, putting it back together is not easy, and repairing it is not easy. And I used to repair stuff a lot, so it is a bit of a waste of time. So what I've done is I've gone and I've got somewhere in between about 10 of these boards made. You have to get 10 made at the time, so I'll have spares over. I think I'm going to make 3 of these up eventually. I have enough parts to make 2 at the moment. Thanks Brett for contacting me. I'm going to start today by just putting, I'm not sure whether I've got to use these. Maybe I should ask Brett this question first. Brett, what are these for on your board? It looks like a transistor, some sort of transistor being placed there, but I'm not sure what it is. If you could get back to me before I start soldering stuff, might be a good idea. I have the display, sorry, the arm and arms. I've got the display and it came with a little board on the back. I'm not sure what that's for, but we'll work it out as we go. I know everyone else is like sitting there going, what the hell is he doing? Well, this is the first time I've ever tried doing building. Well, I have built stuff before when I was years ago, when I did a lot of electronics, so I used to build my own stuff, but nowadays I don't do it as much. So this is Brett's, there's Brett's Smart Charger Discharger version 2, and there's his website there if you want to go over to Brett's site and add yourself to the group, and we'll get moving along with it. And if you can, add Brett's YouTube channel, and you'll get to see some of the stuff he's already done, which is quite amazing, Brett. I really appreciate your help too, mate. I'm going to start by probably putting these in, but I'm not sure whether to do it yet because of these. I'm thinking these are little transistors. They don't look like FETs, but they could be FETs. Yeah, I think I'll just hold off for a little while and see what you get back to me with. Anyway, that's it from me for today, and I had to make up my own locking device because these boards are quite big. If you notice, this is a standard device you get from the hardware shop, and I've had to, because these are made by Audi, these vices, and the suction cup on them are absolute rubbish. So I drilled a hole, or actually I drilled a hole. I drilled a hole in the back of it and put a screw in it to hold the whole thing tight and stable. It's not really the best, still wobbles, but it's better than nothing. And that's it from me. Please subscribe, please leave comments. The more comments you get out there, the more we'll get more people building these things, and we'll have a great old time. Anyway, that's it from me, and I'm out of here.